Hey guys, I'm Sarah with WTI. Don't you love it when you're looking for something versatile and durable, and then it also happens to be good looking too? I get pretty excited about that, and that's why I love this baking dish from SWEEJAR. Not only is it good for the dishwasher, the microwave, and the oven, but it's so beautiful that I don't mind putting it right on my tabletop too. This is a 9 by 9 inch baking dish. I decided you could really use this for anything, but I wanted to cook a few different things in it, like roasted vegetables that cook for a long time and really stick to the inside of a dish, as you can see. And then I went to clean it, and I am happy to report it cleaned very easily. And when I was done, it looked just as beautiful as the day I received it. I also found that it releases well. Things do not stick to it, which is important, and it looks beautiful. The color is so rich. This baking dish from SWEEJAR ticks all of the boxes for me. It's versatile, it cleans up easy, and it's beautiful. So I can use it in my microwave, I can use it in my oven, I can put it right on my tabletop, and then cleaning it is easy. So it's everything I was hoping it would be and more, because it's got such a beautiful color and it looks really nice serving from it right on my table. And that is my point of view.